Hello everybody, back with another video. And as you can see, we have the Sunvara Beekeeper toolkit. I purchased this toolkit off of Amazon for 28 bucks. And as you can see, this is all what comes with it. In the front, just turn it around. I remove my personal information. Comes with a stainless steel beef smoker, stainless steel hook and hook hive tools, wood handle frame grip and bee brush, queen bee marking tools and cage. Ooh, sorry about that. Honeycomb capping knife and fork. This is the way the box comes. This is on the outside, so let's go ahead and get her open. Show you guys what it's like in the top. Marker scooter. Sit that stuff to the side. Sit you guys back up right here for a second. This is a smoker. I did just check on Amazon as well while making this video. Sadly, this kit is currently unavailable. I don't know if we'll be putting any more in. When I ordered it, there was only 3 in stock. So Seems pretty good quality. Don't really know. First time trying this, first time buying one, so we will see. Let's go ahead and try to line everything up as best as possible. Try to get everything in frame. Let's do it long ways. I will be looking at getting my beads. Probably this spring, most likely. Decided to go ahead and just get a heads up on some of the equipment, knowing that everything sells out pretty fast, especially during summer and spring. That is everything laid out. It comes with the kit. Like I said, for 28 bucks. I don't think it's bad. Everything will get put to use this come spring and summer. So I will be making updated videos on how the tools last and the quality of them down the road, the more I put them to use. But that'll be all for this video. Thank you for joining me and stay tuned. 803 Gardener, and I'm out.